Ever dreamed of building your own specialized online tool, powered by cutting-edge AI? Today, we're diving deep into creating a powerful tool website with Deepseek, transforming your brilliant idea into a functional, user-friendly reality. First, let's shape our tool's identity. Think about your target audience and the specific problem your tool will solve. Sketch out a clear, intuitive interface. Focus on simplicity, a circumflex euros, easy navigation, obvious input areas, and a prominent space for the generated results. This initial design phase is crucial for user experience. Next, we integrate the intelligence. Deepseek's powerful AI capabilities will be the engine of your tool. Will connect your website's front-end elements, like text boxes or dropdowns, to Deepseek's APIs. This is where user input is transformed into intelligent output, making your tool truly dynamic. Now, let's bring it all together with backend integration. This involves setting up the servers and databases to handle user requests and manage the flow of information between your website and Deepseek. We'll ensure that every interaction is smooth, secure, and lightning fast. Optimization is key to a truly valuable resource. We'll fine-tune both the user interface and the AI's performance. This means refining the prompts for Deepseek to get the most accurate and relevant results, and ensuring your website loads quickly and responds instantly to user actions. By following these steps, you'll create a seamless and efficient online resource that not only meets specific user needs, but also showcases the incredible potential of AI. Get ready to build your intelligent tool with Deepseek.